in the chat? All right, children, I'm waiting for your replies. So good morning, everyone, and welcome to me and Math YouTube live streaming today. So this session is for hello. All right, children, I'm waiting for your replies. Welcome, everyone. Come on, let's say a hi to each other. Let's greet each other. Yes, children, I know it's Sunday morning, but I'm sure we all can do some while to quickly enjoy ourselves, and along with fun, we can also learn and revise our concepts. So come on, quickly join and let's type in the chat once you all join in. So I'll be waiting for just a minute now, and then we shall begin. So children, you all can type in the chat your names and where are you all from and which grade you all belong to. So today's live streaming is for grade 1 and 2. And the concept, the topic, I will let you know in a while. Yes, hi Trijal, very good morning. Welcome to me and Math classes. Really happy to see you. And you're, I guess, the most active child, right? I mean, I think you are present in every live streaming that we have on Sunday. So that's really really something applaudable. Good job, Trijal. You are gaining a lot of knowledge and practicing your maths concepts to get better at it. Okay, so let us begin. And yeah, so today our topic for revision and practice is mass. Yes. So children, I know you all might have done this concept in your class, in your school, and also done a lot of practice, a lot of quizzes and all. So yes, once again today we are going to do a little revision and practice on this concept so that we all can get thorough with it. Okay, all right, Trijal. So before we move on, I have something to show you, and something that uh, really requires appreciation. So a star student of this week is, let's see who it is. Let's congratulate him. Yay, it's Adam. So for the first week of October, Adam is the star student of the week. Congratulations, Adam. I hope you join the live streaming, okay? And I hope you will be able to see the appreciation that you're receiving. So very good job, Adam, and congratulations once again. So children, if you all also want to become the star student of the week, make sure you'll attend your classes regularly, do your homework quizzes regularly, okay? And as we all know, you'll get stars for the answers that you give in your classes, as well as the homeworks that you'll practice at home. So I would really encourage you to do all of them, because the marks that you get in all of these together are compiled, and based on that, we decide who is the star student of the week. Okay, so this week's first week of October, it is Adam. Okay, so once again, congratulations, Adam. Let's clap for Adam, everyone. He has definitely done a fabulous job in his and has really performed uh, absolutely wonderful. Okay, all right, children. So let's proceed. And oh, yes. So today, before we move on to doing the concept, I have a riddle for you all. Yes, Trijal. So since I know you are there, let's see what riddle do we have. Okay, so I will read it. How can you make the number 7 an even number? So 7 is, I'm sure everybody knows it's an odd number. But how can I make 7 an even number? Who can tell me? Yes, Trijal? How can we make 7 an even number? I'm giving you all 2 minutes to think. Okay, let's see who can answer it. Okay, I guess, okay, let me give you all a hint. So I hope everybody knows the number names. Okay, so if you know your number names well, you can solve this riddle easily. So Trijal, I have given you the hint. You can try to work on that. 4. Okay. How can you make number 7 an even number? 4. I mean, can you explain, Trijal? You can type it in the chat and explain how 4. I gave you a hint that you can find the number name and try to work on it. Okay, I guess let me reveal it. So, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so all of you all are wondering, why am I writing the number name of 7? How this has become an even number? So let me show you all. My number name, my spelling for the number 7 is Seven. But if I want to make it even, I can simply cross out the S and make it even. You see what is left now? Even number. Yay! Wasn't this fun? Yes, it was a bit tricky, I know, but I'm sure. Okay. So yes, Trijal. So this is how we can make 7 an even number. Okay. All right, great. So I hope this riddle really made you smile and helped you activate your brains. So let's proceed and see. Oh, wow. What do I have here? I would like to also appreciate all the children who join in to our live streaming every Sunday and participate well and so eagerly. So we have definitely Trijal at the top. He is always the one who joins. And we had also Arya who have replied and who have given such wonderful participation and showed their enthusiasm and showed that how much did they enjoy the session, right? Yes, very good. Okay, so good job and keep it up, Trijal, Arya, and I would be looking forward to seeing a lot more children. You all can even invite your friends, your neighbors to join into these sessions and see how much fun they can have and how much learning they can take back. Okay, so it's not that about on Sundays also we are studying, it's about on Sunday that we are having fun. Okay, so let's have fun together and invite them all also to join to this YouTube session. Okay, now coming to our concept today that we all know is known as mass, right? So you all have done mass in your classes and you all have already got a little practice based on the topic. So who can tell me, Trijal, if you can explain me what is mass in the chat? What is mass? Okay, so I can simply say that mass is equal to the weight of any object, right? When it comes to the chapter of measurement, we have different concepts under it. So we look at mass, we look at capacity, okay, and we look at length of any relevant object. So when we talk about mass, we are talking about the weight of an object, okay, the weight of an object. Okay, so now, Srijal, can you tell me what are the tools that we use to measure mass or to find out the mass of an object? Yes, Srijal, you can quickly type in the chat. What tools do we use? Srijal, if you're there, you can reply in the chat. And if somebody else has also joined, so welcome to you. And you all may quickly start joining in the chat and let me know that you all are present in the session. Okay, so talking about the tools that we use for mass, we generally use the weighing scale, right? Or the balancing scale, what we call, right? So with the help of weighing scale or the balancing scale, we can measure the weight of the objects and find out which is heavier, which is lighter, and what is the weight of any object. Like, is it, I mean, in numericals, you can find it out, right? Because I don't want to reveal the units from now. I'm sure I would want you all to reply and let me know that what units do we use when we come to measure mass? When we have to measure mass, what are the units that we use? The common units that we use. Yes, Rijal, if you're there, please quickly reply. I'm waiting for you to reply. Okay, the units that we use in mass to measure mass are grams, right? Or else we have milligrams. So I'm writing not in order, but I'm writing randomly and commonly that are used, units that are commonly used to measure mass. Okay, so grams, milligrams, kilograms. These are the common units. But yes, other than that, we have many more like hectogram, decagram, right? Centigram, decigram. So there are different units that we use to measure mass, but the most common ones that we use are grams, milligrams, and kilograms. Okay. Now, amongst these, which one is the biggest unit and which one is the smallest unit? Can somebody tell me that? Which one is the biggest unit and which one is the smallest unit? Trija, come on, I'm waiting for you to quickly come back and reply. Which is the biggest unit of mass to measure mass and which is the smallest unit to measure mass? Okay, so if I talk about the biggest is kilograms. Okay, so kilogram is the biggest, the greatest unit of mass, measuring mass, and the smallest is definitely milligrams, right? Okay, so now we know what is mass, we know what are the tools used, what are the units, and which is the biggest and the smallest unit used in measuring mass. Okay, so we have different scales to weigh the objects and measure the mass. So here we can read the scale with the help of the units that we have and find out the weight of any object. Find out the weight of any object and accordingly, yes, do the trading or whatever buying and selling of the objects, right? Okay. Now find we also know that we can find out the mass of any object with the use of the weighing scale or the balancing scale. Okay, but there are certain things that we have to remember. Okay, so who can tell me 1 kg is equal to how many grams? So we also need to know how to convert a particular unit of measurement into another unit of measurement. So here we are looking at the conversion of 1 kg into grams. So Trijal, you can reply in the chat 1 kg is equal to how many grams? If you remember, we have learned the steps, the table from where we move from the biggest to the smallest, taking one step at a time. And then through that, you would come to know how we can convert one unit of measurement into another unit of measurement. Very good, Trijal. Yes, absolutely correct. So 1 kg is equal to 1,000 grams. Very good, very good. Similarly, 1 gram is equal to how many milligrams? Very good. Now I'm loving. Trijal is getting into the flow and he's coming back and replying. Yes. Now I'm sure I'm going to have a lot of fun. Yes, Trijal. So 1 gram is equal to how many milligrams? Okay. So yes, if we talk about 1 gram, it equals to 100 milligrams. Oh, sorry, 1,000 milligrams. I'm so sorry. 1,000 milligrams. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams and 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams. Very good, Tishan. Very good. Thank you. All right. So yes, having this basic understanding, we shall proceed with our questions and let's start with the very first question that I have here. Okay. Also one thing, let's see how we can convert a unit into another. So let's say if I have 3 kgs of rice and I want to convert into grams. So how many grams rice do I have? If I want to convert it into grams, how many grams rice do I want? Or do I have? So keeping in mind 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Okay. So 3 kg will be equal to how many grams? Yes, Trijal? So it's pretty simple. 1 kg, so 1000. 3 kg, so it is going to be simple 3000. Very good. Yes, Trijal. Very good. Okay. Now coming to again 5 grams of dal equal to how many milligrams of it? So similarly, the same concept we apply here. 1 gram equals to 1000 milligrams, right? So 5 grams will equal to, yes, Rijal, we can be faster. Come on. 5000 milligrams, right? 5000 milligrams. Okay, let's say if I have, yes, very good, very good. Okay, let's say if I have 2000 grams of ghee, so it is equal to how many kgs? 2000 grams of ghee is equal to, so now I'm talking about the inverted thing, okay? So now I'm giving you the grams, you have to convert it into kg. So the logic is that here, when we have to find out, when we have to go from big to small, a bigger unit to smaller unit, we do multiplication. Okay? A bigger unit to a smaller unit, we do multiplication. But here, when it comes to converting a smaller unit to a bigger unit, we have to divide. So, as we already know, that 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. That means 1 gram will equal to 1 upon 1000 kgs. That is 1 divided by 1000 kgs. Okay. So 2000 divided by 1000 kgs. What do we get? Equal to 2 kgs. Very good, Trijal. Yes. Good job. Good job. So 2000 grams equals to 2 kgs. Right? So this is how we do our conversions. And with the help of all this knowledge, let's quickly proceed to our very first question that we have here. All right. Okay. So if we have a pineapple plus a cake, which both together are equal to 10 kgs. Okay. They both together are equal to 10 kgs. So also we got to know that 1 cake, 2 cake, 3 cake. When we add them together, we get 1 tens and 8 ones kg. All right. So then find the value of the pineapple. So having and compiling all of this knowledge together with our understanding of the concept, okay, they are saying that 1 pineapple plus 1 cake is equal to 10 kgs and 3 kgs, the cost of 3 kgs, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 kgs is equal to 1 tens plus 8 ones kgs. Right? So what is the value of pineapple? Come on, Trijal, let's quickly find out an answer. Let's see how quickly you can do, Trijal. It's very easy. 1 tens plus 1 eighths. I'm sure you can convert this into a number very easily. So this, when I say 1 tens means tens and 1. So 1 and 8 ones. So my number is 18 kgs. Right? My number is 18. So this is 3 cakes are equal to 18 kgs. And 1 cake plus 1 pineapple is equal to 10 kgs. So what is the value of the pineapple? What is the value of one pineapple? So let me give you a hint. 3 cakes together make 18 kgs. Okay. So what will be the cost of one? How will you find out the cost of one cake? Okay. So 3 cakes, since they are all same cakes, can we say 3 cakes equals to 18 kgs? Therefore, one cake equals to 18 divided by 3 kgs, right? Because we have to find out the value of one cake. All right. If we find out the value of one cake, I will be easily able to find out the value of the pineapple. Okay. So the one cake is equal to how much? 18 divided by 3. That means it is equal to 6 kg. Okay. Now I have been able to find out the value of one cake. Okay, I already got an answer from Trijal. Good job, Trijal. Let's see whether your answer is right or not. Okay, so I have found the value of one cake, and now time to find out the value of the pineapple. So pineapple plus cake, so I'm just writing the short form, pineapple plus cake equals to 10 kgs. Okay, now I know the value of the cake, so I am going to write 6 equals to 10 kg. So definitely pineapple is equal to 10 minus 6 kgs, that is 4 kgs. Very good job, Prijal. Your answer is absolutely right. It is option D, that is 4 kgs. Good job, Prijal. Good job. Very good. Amazing. So you answered before I could explain, but I hope you understood how did we get 4 kgs, right? Yes. Okay. All right. Let's move on to my question number 2, which says if we have 3 oranges, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 900 grams. Then the weight of 2 oranges will be how much? The weight of 3 oranges is 900 grams. What will be the weight of 2 oranges? This is also pretty easy. So let's wait. I'm waiting for you, Trijal, to calculate and let me know. Okay. So I got an answer from Tijal who says 600 grams. Let's check whether 600 grams is correct or not. Tijal, that was pretty quick, and I'm really happy that you gave the answers so quickly, but we have to first check whether it is right or not. Okay, so 3 oranges equal to 900 grams, right? We have to find what is the cost of 2 oranges together. So, but we can simply find out the cost of the weight of one orange, which is 900 divide by 3, right? And it gives me 300 grams. So the weight of one orange is 300 grams. Now, what will be the weight of 2 oranges? So 2 oranges equal to 300. plus 300 grams, and that gives me definitely 600 grams. Very good, Trija. Once again, you've given the correct answer. Absolutely good job, Trija. Amazing, amazing. Oh my God, I am awestruck. And Trijal has really, really done pretty well. Okay, but let's see this third question whether Trijal is able to answer. Okay, it reads as if the weight of one ball is 45 kgs, then the weight of one gift box is how much? If the weight of one ball is 45 kgs, then what is the weight of one gift box? So let's see whether Trijal is able to crack this and give me the correct answer. I'm sure Trijal can do this also quickly, but just because we have to answer quickly does not mean we just miss our steps and we calculate incorrectly. Okay? It's okay if you take a little while. Okay, children, I would really love if some more children would have joined in and enjoyed this session. Trijal, you can also invite a lot of your other friends and your maybe neighbors, your cousins to join in to our Me and Math YouTube live streaming and practice their core concepts and yes, get better with it. If nothing, then definitely they are going to take some learning back. So it's not at all any harm in joining these sessions and observing and trying to reply. So I would really, really encourage other children also to join in, to be active in the chat and try to answer questions. So here there's nothing as winning or losing. We are always on the winning side only. Okay, even if we do not get the answers correct, still we are understanding the concept and we are taking some learning back. So we are always having a win-win situation, right? Okay, I got an answer from Trijal who says 30 kgs, right? Okay, so yes, let's check whether 30 kgs is correct or not. So if let's look at the first weighing balance, okay, weighing scale. So here I have two balls that is, which we know that 45 and 45. Okay, the weight of one ball is 45 kgs. So the weight of two balls is equal to three cans. Okay, so the total weight of two balls is 45 plus 45, that is 90 kgs. That means the weight of three cans is also 90 kgs. Now here we have found out the weight of three cans, right? Now let's go to the second weighing scale. So here the weight of three cans is 90 kgs, which we just found, right? So similarly, if three cans is equal to 90 kgs and the weighing balance shows that both are equal, so that means the weight of these three gift boxes also is equal to 90 kgs. Three gift boxes equals to 90 kgs. Now it's very easy to find out the weight of one box. So one box equals to 90 divided by 3 kgs, that equals to 30 kgs. Yes, Trijal, once again. A big round of applause for Trijal. Good job, Trijal. Yes, you're absolutely correct. Option A, 30 kgs is the right answer. Very good, Trijal. Very good. That's really impressive. So, see, children, y'all can definitely join in and solve the questions and get the correct answer. Okay. All right. Very good. Good job, Trijal. Let's move on to see the next question. What we have. Observe the weighing scale given below and find the total weight of 5 such pumpkins. Okay, so we have one pumpkin over here. We have a weight of 2 kg, and on the other side we have 2 kg and 3 kg. So the weighing balance is obviously at the same level. That means the two sides are equal. Two sides are equal, so we have to find out the value of the weight of the pumpkin. Now this is very easy. There is no kind of calculation to be done, but just good observation to find out what is the answer. What is the weight of the pumpkin? But yes, make sure the question is asking me what is the weight of 5 such pumpkins. Okay. Yeah, you have to calculate that. I'm sorry. So you have to calculate what is the weight of 5 such pumpkins. If you find out the weight of one pumpkin, you can easily find out the weight of 5 pumpkins. Okay. Yes, Srijal, you can be definitely quick in this. तो यहाँ पे एक साइड पे हमको पंपकिन दिया है और 2 kg का वेट दिया है और दूसरे साइड पे 2 kg का वेट है और 3 kg का वेट है. तो आपको क्या लगता है एक पंपकिन का वेट कितना है? और अगर हमको एक पंपकिन का वेट मिल गया तो हम 5 पंपकिन का वेट ढूंढ सकते हैं. तो हमें पहले सिर्फ एक पंपकिन का वेट ढूंढना है जो बहुत इजी है. हम अगर वेइंग स्केल को अच्छे से देखें तो हमें एक पंपकिन का वेट मिल जाएगा. सो लेट्स लुक एट द वेइंग स्केल. ओके, यहाँ पे पंपकिन है एंड 2 kg है और यहाँ पे 2 kg है और 3 kg. तो 2 kg के वेट तो हमारे हो गए. तो बचा क्या यहाँ पे 3 kg एंड यहाँ पे pumpkin. So it quite obviously shows that the weight of the pumpkin is equal to 3 kgs. Right? One pumpkin is equal to 3 kgs. So now it's easy to find out the weight of 5 pumpkins. 5 pumpkin का weight हम ढूंढ सकते हैं अभी. So it is simple that we multiply 3 with 5 and that gives me 15 kgs. Yes, very good, Trijal. Finally, Trijal has given me the answer, and that is obviously again absolutely correct. So 3 5s are 15 kgs is the answer to this question. Yay! All right, let's move on to the next one. Which of the two boxes, P and Q, is lighter? Look at the weighing scale and find out P is lighter or Q is lighter. P with 2 balls is equal to Q with 3 balls. So what do you think? P का वेट लाइट है या Q का वेट? P का वेट कम है या Q का वेट कम है? या दोनों इक्वल है और या हमें मालूम ही नहीं चल सकता कि कौन सा कम वेट का है. You just have to observe the weighing scale. यहाँ पे भी कैलकुलेशन की कुछ जरूरत नहीं है. Just look and observe at the weighing scale carefully and you will be able to find out which box is lighter, P or Q. P or Q. P is lighter or Q is lighter? With P, we have 2 balls. With Q, we have 3 balls. So what do you think, which is lighter? Okay, Trijal gives me the answer P. All right, let's see whether P is correct or not. So P plus 2 balls, okay, is equal to Q plus 3 balls, right? So here I needed more balls to equate to this. यहाँ पे खाली 2 बॉल डाली है और यहाँ पे 3 बॉल डाली है. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि हमारा जो Q वाला बॉक्स है दैट इज लाइटर. उसका वेट कम है इसलिए मुझे एक्स्ट्रा बॉल डालनी पड़ी. राइट, ये मेरा 2 बॉल से काम हो गया पर यहाँ पे मुझे 3 बॉल डालनी पड़ी क्योंकि Q का वेट कम है. That is why my answer is option B, that is Q. Okay, Trijal? So we have to understand it that way. Q is the correct answer. Q is the lighter object, lighter box, because we required more balls to equate both the sides. दोनों साइड को इक्वल करने के लिए हमें यहाँ पे ज्यादा बॉल्स डालनी पड़ी क्योंकि Q का वेट कम था. Okay? All right. No worries. Let's move on to the next question. And look at this. What is the mass of a packet of French fries? एक French fries का पैकेट का वेट कितना है? अगर एक बॉक्स का वेट होता है 20 ग्राम्स, एक बॉक्स 20 ग्राम्स का है, तो एक फ्रेंच फ्राइज का पैकेट का वेट कितना है? व्हाट इज द वेट ऑफ वन पैकेट ऑफ फ्रेंच फ्राइज if the weight of one box is 20 grams? Okay, it's a bit tricky, I understand, but okay, you all are smart enough to apply your brains, use your knowledge, use your understanding, and try to find out the answer. I would really appreciate for at least putting in the effort. See the way how Trijal is putting in the effort. He is trying to find out. He is using his understanding. Okay. Yes, sometimes we do make some kind of little mistake, but that's okay. Yeah, that's how we learn, right? But the most important thing is that we are putting effort. So I really would like to appreciate Trijal a lot for this, the way he's participating and enthusiastically. He's replying to the questions, whatever are being asked. Yes, Srijal, I'm waiting for you. Come on, Trijal, you can do it. Yes. Okay, I got the answer from Trijal, who says option D, that is 40 grams. Option D. Okay. All right, let's find out whether Trijal's answer is correct or not. So if each box stands for 20 grams, so we have how many boxes over here? 4. So 4 multiplied by 20 will be 80 grams. Okay. So the weight of 4 boxes is 80 grams. Okay. Now I have to find out the weight of one pack of French fries. Okay. So now I have one pack over here, one pack over here, which I will simply cancel, and there will be no need to find out the weight of it. Then I can equate, then I can say that 80 grams of these boxes is equal to 2 pack of French fries. 2 pack French fries equals to 80 grams. How did I get that? If I remove one packet, because the French fries packet weight is same, so if I remove one packet, what I get is here 2 packets of French fries, which is equal to 80 grams of these boxes. Okay, so 2 packet of French fries equals to 80 grams. So that means one pack will be equal to how much? 80 divided by 2, and that gives me 40 grams. Very good, Trijal, once again. Congratulations. Yes, your answer is absolutely correct. That is option D, 40 grams. The weight of one packet of French fries is 40 grams. All right. So this is how we get it. And a very good job, fantabulous job done by Trijal. Keep it up. Keep it up. Okay. Coming up to the next question, which says, what is the mass of the rice bag? Okay, you have to find the weight of this rice bag. Now, what they have given is that both the sides are equal, but how? With the rice bag, I have put 1 kg of weight. And here I have 1 kg, 2 kg, 500 and 500 grams. So total of this is equal to the rice bag plus 1 kg of weight. So what is the weight of the rice bag? Come on, Trijal, this is also very easy. It's similar to the previous questions, last 2 questions that we have done. And you can easily find out the weight of the rice bag. Yes, I'm waiting for Trijal to reply. Let's give him some time to calculate, whereas my other children also can calculate and try to reply in the chat. What would be the answer? What is the weight of the rice bag? Okay, here we get an answer. Oh, yes, I have some new child over here responding saying Jaya Lakshmi is answering saying B. The answer to this question is B. Okay, let's find out how. Soham. Okay. Yes, welcome to me and Math Soham. Finally, we have one more child over here along with Rijal. So I'm really happy that Soham has joined in and he is responding. Okay, so good job, Soham. All right, let's see how do we find out the weight of the rice. So I have this 1 kg over here plus the rice bag, and here I have 1 kg plus the rest of the weights. So I can simply remove that 1 kg, and the rest what is remaining is equal to the rice bag. So the weight of the rice bag equals to 1 kg plus 500 grams plus 500 grams, right? So 1 kg plus 500 grams plus 500 grams equals to 1 kg. So 500 grams plus 500 grams is equal to 1 kg, which totally now gives me 2 kgs. And yes, Soham's answer is absolutely correct. Option B is the correct answer. The weight of the rice bag is definitely 2 kgs. So good job. See, finally, I have another child in the session who has joined in a bit late, but yes, he has joined in with a bang. Yes, Trijal and Soham. So now we have two kids. Okay, so come on. Let's see what's the next question over here. And it says Anuj baked 5 cakes. The weight of each cake is 4 kg. And what is the weight of all the 5 cakes together? Okay, अनुज के पास 5 केक है, उसने 5 केक बनाए थे. ओके, एक केक का वेट है 4 kg. तो what is the weight of all the 5 cakes? Which is very simple. 5 cakes, 1 cake 4 kg. 5 cakes equal to how much? Not too much of a calculation. Come on, this should be faster. Trijal and Soham. 1 cake 4 kg. 5 cakes, how many kgs? Come on, come on, come on. Trijal, Soham, Trijal, Soham. Okay, I got an answer from Trijal who says option A, and he is absolutely correct. Trijal and Soham also gave the option A. Both of you all are correct. Yes, Trijal answered it first. So Trijal, good job, good job. How did we get 20 kgs? Okay, 1 cake equals to 4 kgs. So 5 cake will be equal to 4 multiplied by 5 kgs. And that gives me 20 kgs. Good job, Trijal and Soham. But yes, Trijal was much faster. So good job, Trijal. Keep it up. Keep it up. Okay, so we just have a couple of more questions before we wind up. So, yes, let's do it. The weight of a football is 342 grams and that of a basketball is 289 grams. So, what is the total weight of the football and the basketball? Oh my God, there cannot be a simplest question than this. All of these children who are very much smarter, they can definitely do this in a jiffy. Come on. Just in 1 minute, you all will be able to answer this. The weight of a football is 342 grams and that of a basketball is 289 grams. So what is the total weight of the football and the basketball? What do you all think? What do we do here? Very, very easy question. Come on, let's see who can be faster this time. Is it Trijal or Soham? I would definitely like to cheer for both of them, and I'm sure both of them are. Okay, I got the answer from Soham who says option D, which is absolutely correct. Yes, it's simple. We just have to find the total of both the balls, the weight of both the balls, which is 342 grams plus 289 grams, which is equal to 631 grams. Yay! So Soham was the first one to answer this time, and Trijal also gave the absolute correct answer. So good job and applause for both of you. Both of you. Oh my God, we have a third child over here, Venkatesh Chinta. Oh, and now is the time where you have joined in when we are about to end it. But no problem, it's never too late. Okay, so this here comes the last question, the bonus question for our Sunday live streaming. Okay, so what will be the weight of 20 apples? Now I have this balancing scale. On one side I have 5 apples, which is equal to 8 and 10 cherries. So what will be the weight of 20 apples then? What will be the weight of 20 apples? Now here I have not given you all any options. It's definitely easy to calculate. And this is my bonus question and the last question. So whoever answers this quickly will definitely get clap from every one of us. Come on. Not too difficult and easy to find out. Let's see who's replying first. 5 apples equals to 10 strawberries. 5 apples is equal to 10 strawberries. I'm repeating it again and again. So what will be the weight of 20 apples? Yay, I got the answer from Soham and Trijal. Soham says 40 cherries, Trijal says 100 cherries. Okay. All right, so Soham is absolutely correct because if 5 apples equal to 10 cherries, so if 20 apples, that means we are getting 5 multiplied by 4, right? 20 apples equals to how many? So here also I will multiply by 4. 4 cherries, 10 multiplied by 4 cherries, that is equal to 40 cherries. Yes, Soham. Good job. Good job. You deserve an applause. Very good. Very good. Congratulations, Soham, for giving the answer for the last question and the most important question correctly. Very good job done. And Trijal, of course, you have been here right from the beginning, showing the enthusiasm and giving so many correct answers. So you all definitely deserve congratulations. And thank you so much for joining in today's YouTube live session. I really enjoyed, though Soham joined in a bit late, but yes, he came with a bang. So good job. Keep it up, Trijal. Keep it up. Love to see you in all of the sessions that you join in. And keep joining in a lot more and get your friends, your colleagues, your cousins, your classmates to join in and have that much of fun that you all are having. All right. So till then, goodbye from me and Matt. See you all again next Sunday. You did really great. So see you next week. Till then, take care. Bye.